Our learning intention for this lesson is to add decimals by rounding and compensating. Okay, to add decimals by rounding and compensating. Okay, problem number 1. I need 7.5 meters of material for my dress and 4.95 meters of material for my skirt. How much material will I need altogether? Okay, so 7.5 meters for my dress and 4.95 meters for my skirt. How much material will I need for my dress and skirt? So which means that we need to add them. So that would be 7.5 meters plus 4.95 meters equals, we don't know. So that's the part there that we need to find out. How much material altogether. Okay. Our learning intention to add decimals by rounding and compensating. Okay. We've done rounding and compensating before. So it's exactly the same thing. We need to change one of these two numbers, either 7.5 or 4.95, into a whole number. Because they're decimals, we need to change it to a whole number. Okay, before we had to change it to a tidy number. So this one, because they're decimals, we're adding decimals, we need to change our decimal to a whole number just to make it easier. Okay, so I'm gonna change, so out of 7.5 and 4.95, one of those two is easier to change to a whole number. Okay, I think 7.5 is easy. Okay, so we need to change 7.5 to a whole number. Sorry, 7.5, what's the nearest whole number to 7.5? That is 8. So 7.5, we need to change it to 8. So that means, let's see, I am going, so step 1. Okay, step 1. Oops, step 1. So I'm going to change 7.5 to a whole, just going to write that as a whole number. Okay, I'm going to change 7.5 to a whole number. Okay, sorry. That means, how many more do I need to add on to 7.5 to give me 8? That means I need to add 0.5 to 7.5 to make 8. Okay, so I need to add 0.5 to 7.5 to make 8. Okay, so I need to add 0.5. Where am I going to get my 0.5 from? I can borrow from here, from 4.95. So we need to borrow from here minus 0.5. Okay, so now that becomes 8. Sorry. So step 2, I need to borrow 0.5 from 4.95. Okay, we need to borrow 0.5 from 495 to add here. And this now becomes, 4.45. So 4.45. Oh, sorry, 4.95 take away 0.5 is 4.45. Okay, so let's do it now. Let's write it out again. 7.5 plus 4.95. So what do we see? We borrow 0.5 from there and we add it to 7.5, which now becomes 7.5 plus 0.5 is 8 plus 4.95 take away 0.5, 4.45. Okay, so equals 8 plus 4.45 is 12.45. So therefore 7.5 plus 4.95 equals 12.45. So how much material will I need? I will need 12.45 meters of material. Oops, forgot my meters on this side. Need to make sure I do it properly. Okay. M's for meters. Excellent. Second problem. I need 9.03 meters of string to decorate my house. And I also need 6.55 meters of string to decorate my kitchen. How much meters of string will I need? Sorry, 9.03 meters plus 6.55 meters equals, we don't know. How much string do we need? Okay, just like problem number one, we need to change one of these two numbers, either 9.03 or 6.55, into a whole number. Which one do you think is better? Which one do you think is easier to change into a whole number? 6.55 or 9.03? As you can see, probably easier with 9.03. All we have to do is take away 9.03. Okay, so we're just going to write that up again. 9.03 meters plus 6.55 meters equals. Okay, so we said this is easier because we can just take away 0.03. So take away there and we put it on the other side, which is plus 0.03. So this number here now becomes 9.03 take away 0.03 equals 9. And this number here, 6.55 plus 0.03 now becomes, oops, gotta do my plus, now becomes 6.58. 6.58. Because I know that because I use my place values. This is in the hundredths. This is in the tenths. Okay, and 0 and 6 are the whole numbers. Okay, so it's 9 plus 6.58. We know 9.658 is 15.58. So therefore, 9.03 plus 6.55 equals 15.58. Okay, so how much string is needed? 15.58 meters. Better do my meters again.